My name is Chris Hettenhausen. This is my wife Nicole and our 3-month-old daughter Josephine. And this is our home at 1014 Olive Street in Belleville. It was built in 1904. It's an arts and crafts style home. And when we first were looking at it about a little over 2 years ago, when we were walking by, we just fell in love with the big wraparound porch and the coziness and overall feeling inside of this house. And we've recently been working on little things here and there, just trying to just finish up what we originally envisioned, and now we're on to decorating and the house tour.
Inside our home, you will notice the hardwood floors that are original, along with the original trim throughout. We have added lots of antique light fixtures, and you'll notice that throughout the house there is a lot of white furniture, which I think intimidates people sometimes, but more than anything, we just want our guests to feel at home when they are here. So I like to add big oversized pillows just to soften the space up a little bit, and you will always notice fresh flowers in our house too. Recently we have been very busy in preparing for the St. Clair County Historical Society candlelight tour. In our living room, you will notice we did not go the traditional route with the red and green. We have a flocked Christmas tree along with 2 flock trees in the entryway. In the nursery, we went with a silver tinsel tree. You'll notice pink and silver ornaments on that one. In our dining room, we have lots of gold, and we do have a tree out there as well with silver and gold ornaments on it. And we have a little tree in our bedroom as well.